a short video on why I replace my air pump and air stones with the Venturi Aerator. Simple reason is I get sick and tired of cleaning out the air stones when they got built up with algae. Algae gets built up on them on all sides except for the side that was on the bottom, restricting airflow. And I would need a lot of air stones placed throughout to help circulate or provide air to the system. Instead of having 6 air stones, I just need one Venturi recirculating pipe with a pump and a self-made aerator. Basically, a Venturi Aerator is a pipe that is beveled, sticking into a bigger pipe, and as water flows around the beveled pipe, it creates a vortex of low pressure and sucks in air accordingly to create air bubbles. So I have a recirculating pump at the bottom there, you can see it. It's 1,000 gallons an hour. And I have this little T-fitting. It's a 1-inch pipe with a 1/2-inch beveled pipe sticking out of the T. And as water goes through the 1-inch pipe, goes past the beveled 1/2-inch pipe, creating a vortex of differing pressure zones in front and behind the beveled pipe, creating a vortex and sucks in the air through the 1/2-inch pipe and into the water stream. So this is a 4x8 by 4 foot tank. On this end is the inlet. I made my own little perforated pipe to create a vortex or create aeration. The water comes from the sump pump into this tank. As the water flows through the holes or around the holes, it sucks in air, creates a nice aeration that's angled down toward the bottom of the tank, creates a flow this way, and then that recirc pump at the bottom creates a flow up and around. So I get a nice little, like a figure 8 kind of flow. And this is the effluent pipe into the radial flow settling tank. Nice picture of the toys. I also have largemouth bass in here, but you can't see them because they're hiding in the shadows. More algae buildup